Hello, my friends. I am in the WiByte Python lab. I have created the repository from the template, launched my code spaces. I'm trying to import Colorama and Pyfiglet here in this demo file, but I find that when I run this thing, when I run this file using this run button over here, I get an error saying module not found, no module called Colorama. Let me show you the same thing happening for Pyfiglet, right? So these are very interesting libraries. In fact, as we have mentioned elsewhere, Colorama and Pyfiglet are pre-installed in this. In order to access them, there are two very simple ways. First is so let me just clear the terminal for now. So first method of solving this would be do not use the run button, just run the file from here. So I just go and say Python, for example, say demo file.py, and you notice that everything runs perfectly fine. So I had Colorama, in this code, that's what I have later on, and then I have Pyfiglet, right? So that's the first method, just run Python demo file.py. Now, in case you really want to use the run button, that's also fine. What we need to do is to click on, you notice there's something called Python 3.13.15 at the bottom end. Just go and click on this. You will get a bunch of drop downs coming up here. You'll later realize that the reason this is not working is because your recommended setting is user/bin/python 3. All you need to do is to go and say, well, user/local/bin.python 3, right? Now, notice I have changed this. So when I look at, let's say this, it again, it's telling me the recommended one is now user local bin Python. And now when I click the run button, you realize that in fact the code also works. So in short, the two methods are, well, just run it from the terminal, which I think is a simpler one. Otherwise, go and set your Python installation, the Python interpreter that we are using to user local bin Python, and then you can run from the run button, right? I think both of these are perfectly fine, and I hope this keeps you moving. Yeah. Like I said, Colorama, Pyfiglet are very, very popular with students, and I think they're really very interesting libraries to have fun with them and forever enjoy coding. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye bye.